Good morning. Right, I'd like to talk to you about Quizlet, which I'm sure a lot of you already use, and about how to use it collaboratively. I was reading an article with some students, and I wanted them to be able to note down vocabulary that they thought was useful. And I wanted them all individually to be able to note it down and create their own, to create a joint and collaborative Quizlet. And so I found this button over here, and I'm sure you've all noticed it yourselves. So I wanted to talk to you about that today. So let's look at how we do that. So die Sommerferien, so summer holidays, it's always a good one to look at. And I'll put in a couple of terms because you have to before you can share anything. And you need to choose the language down here as well. And then perhaps die Bahn, and there you go. So now you can create create it, but it will just be those two terms, and only you will be able to change it because it says only editable by me. However, if you press on this button, you can change it, and you can say, okay, I want the users with a password or certain classes. If you set up classes, I have, but just in case you haven't, we'll use the one with the password. Users with a password. I'll use my username because all my students know that already. And now I've created a Quizlet. You have to have at least 2 definitions in here before you can create a study set. So you need to do that anyway. But now the students can work on this. So what we do is we copy the link and then add it to, say, this one. So Quizlet. And when the students open it, which I can't show you unfortunately, they have the chance to enter the password.
So I am Miriam's pupil temporarily. Here is the Quizlet. When I click on the edit button, I'll put in the password, and then you can edit it, and anybody else who has the link can edit it as well. Okay, enjoy.